to another vlog. Today we're going for a bit of a TOUGE drive with a few peoples, and we've got a massive range of cars from S chassis, JZXs, Rs, Skylines. We've got an NSX with us as well, so yeah, a few cars out. It's a beautiful day in Melbourne. The weather's getting perfect, it's getting nice again. So I'm in the 110 today. My clutch is a bit how you going, but it's working. We're driving and we're having fun. So I've never really done a in-car drive before. Something a little bit different. Speaking about the car, as we're sort of driving and cruising along. So 2001 JZX110. It's got the cage, might be able to see in the back. High flow hypergear turbo, 45mm screamer pipe. Thanks to my good mate D-Faz for welding that one together. But I love this car so much because I can just drive it like this on a Sunday with my friends, and I can go to the track as well and absolutely send it. It's nice that I can just take it out and just drive it and not have to worry about, you know, it not being registered or anything like that. So when you get on the road, it's calm, it's easy, gears all work. I am fighting this clutch pedal issue though, which is a bit annoying, so we're going to have to diagnose that pretty soon. I think I've worked out what it is. I've changed the master and the slave, but I'm still having the pedal getting stuck right to the ground. So my thoughts are that it's a few things. Could be the throwout bearing, could be the pressure plate itself. So once we actually pull that apart, diagnose it, have a good look inside, we'll be able to determine what's wrong with it. But on a day like today, beautiful Melbourne weather. It's 25 right now. Just driving out and about, cruising the cars. There is actually nothing better than doing that, I reckon. Oh, this thing just boogies. Absolutely.
Hello, Rhys.
Fairly certain it's
Cracker,
there.
mate.
How you going, mate?
In streeto mode now.
Streeto, mate.
Streeto mode. Wow, street mode.
How's your car, mate?
Yeah, not bad. Good after drifting.
Good after drifting?
Yeah, it came up well.
Different experience today?
Yeah.
TOUGE drive?
No skids today.
A few moments later.
No skids, why not?
No skids. Wow, some skids.
Behaving.
We're behaving.
You guys on camera look like mum and dad.
That's it.
Great.
They are. Now kids.
I'm dad.
You're definitely wearing the
Fucking
pants.
alright.
Might not have the pants on, but I'll wear the pants, alright?
How's the
That's
15,
okay.
mate?
Yeah, okay.
It's alright, I'm behaving, so
You behaving?
yeah.
It's got a SR20 in it.
How dare you? How dare you?
What's in it?
It's SR20.
Is it?
No, it's CA.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
NACA.
Okay. He's talking bear cap. Bear cap. It's got some spicy in it, but I won't tell you what it is. You can just hear it later. Alright, so we've just stopped in Emerald. We've got a beautiful lineup of cars here, from Skylines, Silvias, 31s, JZXs, KE70s. We've even got some nice NSXs down there, Crown, Subaru, and it's been a pretty good spirited drive. Like, we just got out, had a bit of fun. Thought I'd bring you guys along for the viewing. But yeah, we got Lucas's 34, things looking fantastic, and the T7Rs with the dish, big 3-inch straight pipe all the way through. Finally finished his car. It's been a working beast for a long time, but it's back on the road, making some really nice power, something like 500 kilowatt. Absolute machine, and it sounds so crisp. The RB is just fantastic. You know Rhys's car on the channel, he was in the last vlog. Prav's got his S15 out, a couple of KEs. This silver one here, that's got a rotary in it, which is completely blown my mind. So it sounds off its head. It's got big slicks on the rear. And it's just a really nice clean car. To see a KE done as nice as this, it's pretty good. We've got McCarthy's KE as well, with the factory garden state plates. How cool is that? It is fully retrimmed inside. It's got all nice interior, and yeah, not a little bad little car, little package, but we're out here having fun. We're gonna get back on the road soon and keep on cruising. So anyway, enjoy. finished the drive. It ended up taking us down a dirt road, and I'm now at the car wash, getting ready to clean the old girl. It is absolutely filthy. Like, there's enough dust on there to, yeah, I don't even know what, but it's just covered in shit. But I had the GoPro set up, Prav was behind me, and that S15, goddamn, it sounds really good. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know how the quality came out, but yeah, again, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming along for a little Sunday TOUGE drive. It's good to be out and about, driving the car. Pedal actually felt really good in the end, even though I was giving it a couple of hits. Didn't play up once, so it's really inconsistent. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, we'll fix it soon. Hope you like this video, something a little bit different. Like, comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel. A lot of you new guys came on board for the Echo. That will be coming back very soon. We've got some mighty plans for that. So anyway, as always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.